Apart from primary sources, data can be collected from secondary sources too. And such sources are important because these save time and resources simply because information is readily available. Also, they help to identify gaps in knowledge and guide primary research and hence ensure a comprehensive understanding of the topic. So let's understand some important sources of secondary data. Hello everyone, welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. So far you have understood about the primary data. Now we shall discuss the secondary data. It is a data that is collected by someone other than the primary user. So for example, there is a report which discusses the number of child fatality cases in India because of malnutrition. This report is published by Department of Health, and statistics relating to this information are used by Department of Child Welfare. So this is the secondary data which is obtained from a reliable source. Secondary data can be obtained not only from published but also unpublished sources. So we shall discuss about published sources, unpublished sources, and the role of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation in this video. Let us begin. Secondary data. It's usually gathered from published sources. A few major sources of published information can be published articles of local bodies and central and state governments, statistical synopses, census records, and other reports issued by different departments of the government, official statements and publications of the foreign governments, publications and reports of chambers of commerce, financial institutions, trade associations, and so on, magazines and journals, including periodicals, then publications of government organizations like Central Statistical Organization or National Sample Survey Organization. And one can also refer to reports presented by research scholars, bureaus, economists, and so on. Statistical data can be obtained from several unpublished references. Some of the major unpublished sources from which secondary data can be gathered are 1. Research work conducted by teachers, professors, and other professionals. 2. Records that are maintained by private and business enterprises. And 3. Statistics are maintained by different departments and agencies of the central and the state government undertakings or corporations. Now let us try to understand very brief details about the Ministry of Statistics. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation came into existence as an independent ministry on 15th October 1999. After the merger of Department of Statistics and Department of Program Implementation, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation attaches considerable importance to coverage and quality aspects of statistics released in the country. So it has two wings, one related to statistics and the other related to program implementation. The statistics wing was redesignated as National Statistics Office (NSO), which consists of National Sample Survey Organization and Central Statistical Office, that is NSSO and CSO. Now let us try to understand more about NSSO, that is National Sample Survey Organization. It is one of the largest organizations in India conducting periodic socio-economic surveys. So NSSO is associated with carrying out surveys and collection of data to study. It is a chief authority for the analysis of data concerned with household statistics. The wide variety of surveys performed by NSSO is primarily concerned with agriculture, demographic, social, industrial, economic trends that prevail in the rural and urban households of the country. The first national sample survey was conducted in the year 1950-51 to collect data about land utilization, daily wages, prices of essential goods, and its first round consisted of only 1833 villagers as a random sample. So its objectives are: first one is to provide valuable statistics for the planning of government policies. Then to provide techniques for analyzing the statistical data and its interpretation. Then to collect and provide information related to parameters of demographic and socio-economic sector. And finally, to analyze the data associated with socio-economic indicators and publish the results. So its functions include to conduct mass-scale surveys, to procure information on employment, health, income, expenditure, areas of the country in the form of data, to organize annual surveys on the industrial sector, to prepare survey reports from the data collected, those from agricultural yields, crop production of the country, and finally compile this data for a large-scale analysis of the country. Now let us try to understand a little bit about Central Statistical Office, CSO. It is a government agency in India under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, responsible for the coordination of statistical activities in India and evolving and maintaining statistical standards. Its activities include national income accounting, conducting of annual survey of industries, economic censuses, compilation of index of industrial production, as well as consumer price indices for urban non-manual employees, human development statistics, gender statistics, imparting training in official statistics, 5-year plan work relating to development of statistics in the states and union territories. Not only that, it is also responsible for dissemination of statistical information relating to people and society, various aspects, labor market and earning, various aspects, business sectors, various sectors, economy, various aspects of the economy, environment, various aspects of environment. And after having done the compilation and dissemination of statistical information, it publishes the results. Let's know more about National Statistical Office. The National Sample Survey Office was under the jurisdiction of Indian government's Ministry of Statistics till May 2019. On 23rd May 2019, the government officially merged NSSO and CSO to create National Statistical Office under the supervision of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. It is responsible for collecting, compiling, analyzing, and publishing a wide range of statistical information and related matters. Its functions include conduct of annual survey of industries, economic censuses, and follow-up surveys, conduct of index of industrial production compilation, as well as consumer price indices for urban non-manual employees, preparation of quarterly estimates of GDP at current and constant prices, broadcasting statistical information, energy, construction, and environmental statistics, work related to trade revision of national industrial classification, etc. So one can notice that all these given options are the functions of Central Statistics Office. So now that CSO is merged with NSSO, it is National Statistical Office, responsible for statistical information and related matters. I hope you have understood various aspects of the published sources, unpublished sources of collecting secondary data. And I'm sure you must have also understood the role of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. With this, the session comes to an end. Next session, we shall focus on statistical errors. Till then, keep reading and keep learning. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.